car meet in Orlando. So I figured we'd check it out. Follow me on Instagram. They always run. Nah, it's nice though. But yeah, I haven't really raced. I've raced a couple people. I raced the Evo 10, pretty much same mods as me. I think he has a built head. He beat me, but I had a oil leak at the time, so I haven't ran him since the car's been healthy, running right. I raced oh my god, I raced an Audi R8. That thing is fast. I don't know why I even raced it, but it was fun. I'll race anybody, I just want to see, you know, I don't care about losing. To be honest, it's not that serious, bro. Just for fun. Cutting out. I'm pretty sure it's something in the wiring, but I'm gonna be tearing the car down. Well, all right, scratch. I'm gonna give the car a good health check. I'm gonna go over it. I don't know if I'm gonna. Oh, actually, guys, I do have some mods to throw on the car. I got front and rear sway bars. I know in the build list I say I have them on, but I don't. I'm sorry, guys. Everything else is legit. I'm definitely gonna do that this winter. That'd be, cause bro, this car handles so good, and I couldn't imagine how responsive it would feel with the front and rear sway bars upgraded. I got the white lines, sick. Right here. All right, so everybody was supposed to roll out with not coming. You know, that's how it normally goes. But about to roll out. A couple Evos. I know there's gonna be Evos out there for sure. And all sorts of cars. I went to this meet a couple months ago. It was pretty lit. Hopefully we'll see some cars on the road too. That's really what I want. so much that I want to do to the car, bro, but money. How? You need that money, baby. Shit ain't cheap. Got the little mirrors, huh? Goofy.
Are you running race gas on yours?
Yeah, E85. I got like 520.
You're pushing about 520?
Yeah.
What kind of car is that called?
Evo 10.
Evo.
I told that kid I got 520 to the wheels just to boost it up a little bit. It is 520 dyno jet. Yeah, bro, I usually say 450 because it feels about 450 to me, to be honest, which 450 is good. All-wheel drive, 450. Yeah, that's froggy. What I really want to start doing, like, I really want to set myself up to start tracking the car. The closest track, I'm talking like road course, the closest one is about 2 hours away, so that's what I want to get into, bro. My friggin' my camera died. It's pretty clean. Can't flex. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next vid.